Well, we got everything cut, removed, and welded. So the only thing left to do is fire it up. So what do you say? Let's see what she sounds like now.